Quick overview of how we install chunking. So as you can see, it's a finished project, 100% complete. Yeah. And we haven't used the normal on the box. We use the waterproof on the box, as it has better and rougher it can handle the outside road more better, and it resists water and stuff. So if any water spill on it, it can resist water, so we don't use the regular chunking. So as you can see, it's totally. So I'm gonna show you the next room. It's just a quick overview of how we do chunking. Feel free to like, subscribe and share. You know, if you know anybody have any who like this type of installation, or like the content that we are producing, you can share to them and so forth. So we're gonna label the main breaker panel and have it 100% complete.